दिस इज़ डे 2. अभी जस्ट हम लोग उठे हैं, नमाज़ पढ़ ली है और फजर हो रहे हैं फजर. एंड आवर सेमिनार इज़ एट 8 o'clock, सो विल गेट रेडी और जल्दी से आई थिंक विल हैव समथिंग क्विक breakfast and then we'll leave. So I have to get ready now. So हम लोग हो गए हैं ready and we are leaving now for the seminar. It's what's the time now?
8.
चलो, let's go. Bismillah. Subhanallah जी सखरना. Thank you.
You've got a present. Nice to meet you too. No, just started 2 seconds ago. 2 seconds ago.
So we can just
Yeah.
We are too late for hello. Good,
I've
ma'am.
seen plenty of
Hey.
pictures of you.
Really?
Answers, okay? So, that's why we have an attorney here to talk about the legal aspect of the class. The basic course here, just to give you an idea, I have 3 goals for us to do. The first
कैसा था seminar?
Oh my god!
Half by 3 o'clock I left. 3:30 I left. I said I'm gonna take the car. I'll go. I'll shop. वो मैंने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया because I was too busy in shopping because they had 2 stores close to that seminar और बहुत ही अच्छा स्टोर था और मैंने एक आध चीज़ें लेकर आई हूँ घर के लिए. वो मैं घर जाके maybe I'll show you. But right now we are starving. We are done with the seminar. It's 7 o'clock. 7 and we still have it says 15 minutes.
Yes,
Not
right
that
here.
bad. Okay.
We're on
So we are
international
leaving.
drive, so we're in the
Yeah.
middle.
Okay. So we are leaving for what? For
Disney
Disney.
Springs.
Disney Springs.
It's been renovated and it's like 600 things to do over there. A lot of
cool.
restaurant, dining, I mean, you name it. So we're about to go
Okay,
experience
let's
Springs.
15 minutes, right, from here?
Yeah.
Not that bad.
There's what?
Yay, Disney World.
Everything you see. And much more.
It's Disney.
It's all Disney. And
So we are
all
going to
of
Disney
it.
Springs.
Yeah.
Not Disney World. Disney World, for that you need to have tickets. You have to buy tickets and it's like a whole day.
Yeah,
You have
need
to
the
be
whole
there
day.
whole day, right?
From open to close. That's the only way.
हम लोग तो शाम में है. We have only after 6 we can go and
Yeah,
see
but they
places.
close this
So
at
this all comes into
11:30.
Disney. चलो अच्छा है ना, let's go and see. ये भी अच्छा होगा कि you
Where
can
we're
walk in,
going,
walk out.
yeah, closes at 11:30. The parks close at 9 or something like that.
So okay, Disney. World of Disney.
Okay.
Go back out to the road. At the road, turn right. At the traffic light, turn right, and then you'll see the signs for it.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Thank you. That is just for the entrance. What happened? You wanna sit here and eat?
पहला restaurant देखा है barbecue. You don't like barbecue.
हाँ, वो स्मेल ही नहीं अच्छी लगी. कहाँ जाए? यहाँ जाए, वहाँ जाए. It's so big. Come here. Let's go here. We should have a map. Where are we going? Oh, this is the map.
Yeah. We live down in Miami. I'm here for 8 to 6, 7 hours. This is all made of Legos. It's a million pieces or like 10 million pieces.
Oh.
Look, it's tiny
Tiny pieces. Oh. It's okay, it's okay.
One, two, three, one more.
We spent last making things right between us. But now
That was cool. That was fun. उनको भी ले लिया मैंने.
68 restaurants here.
Huh. And still he cannot pick one. What is?
The Edison.
Marico, pero te digo que me enteré de chilena porque, o sea, como que en la última clase habló con nosotros y nos habló en español, nos dijo que era chilena, pero nunca supimos que había nada, nada. La señora, estaba como una de 60 años.
So guys, we were taking pictures and we made friends.
Yeah! New Yorker, baby! New Yorker in the house! Yes!
That was sweet, really. You
I was
guys.
born in India, but I grew up in Long Island. She was born in Dubai.
Dubai?
Yeah, so then she moved to... But yeah, man, it's her first. Wow.
This is so cool. She took our picture and she said she's gonna send me on Instagram. This is so cool. Okay, so this is so sweet. They are exchanging numbers, so they're gonna move to Miami next year. Likewise, bye, 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 bye. Have a good evening, bye. Oh, so we got the sunset. Yay!
Sunset with the Disney hot air balloon.
अच्छा लग रहा है ना? And we got the rainbow. Let's take a picture. Woo!
You guys got the moves, man.
Coca-Cola,
Of the world. So they have Coke from all over the world.
right?
That's their,
We went to a Coke factory.
That's their
Yeah, that's the headquarters. So we are going up just to check out the view from up. Okay. They have the... Hey, come here. Oh. Oh. Hey, that is so cute.
Thanks, man. Everybody's been checking me out. Like, what the hell is this guy wearing?
That is so cute. Woo! here. That's Sephora, Lacoste, Zara, Mac. Nice, that's Coach. So you have all the small section for kids, and then this section is for us for shopping. Looks so good, sunset with this view. Look at the sky. No? So finally we are gonna eat here in Rainforest Cafe because they have shrimp and they have all seafood. So we are gonna dine in. Let's see how long it's gonna be the wait. Saying
2 hours away.
She's gonna shop on the other side of the bar.
oh
There may also be seating at the bar in the lava lounge. If you're
Anywhere.
picking out.
yeah, anywhere. Yeah, we are gonna
Over
sit.
there. I'll sit anywhere. That's it.
Okay, thank you. So this
We're
is
good.
them.
Thank you.
So okay, so we finally she gave us space, tiny space to eat. पहले खा लें कुछ उसके बाद. Oh, look at this. Ah, yes. No, sit on giraffe. You're too tall. Yes. So guys, this is a restaurant for the kids basically. But look, they have the show like for. Wow. So we are here. We got this corner to eat because the restaurant was full and was waiting. So no problem. We got the corner and look at this. Food. You have elephants, you have monkey. The whole restaurant is like this. This is for the kids. But it's okay, we are enjoying. You have fishes. Oh. Look at the kids. Happy birthday! खाना आ गया है. This is a platter. This is a shrimp scampi. So we are enjoying. See you guys later. Bye. This is for the kids, and we bought a glass. Just a glass. Show me the glass. निकालो glass दिखाओ. Oh, they packed it. It's okay. लेने दो. बाद में दिखा देंगे इसका सब. Yay! Ice cream. We don't have this in Miami, so we are gonna try the ice cream here. Oh, wow! Look at that. She's making the ice cream. Ooh, that is cool. Let me get in and show you. Oh wow. Oh, they have just chocolates, no ice cream?
Ice cream.
No? Oh, okay. I thought it's an ice cream place. Oh, this is only chocolate. I don't want chocolate. I want ice cream. Oh, so they have chocolate. They don't have ice creams. Mary ice cream. Connie, you see it?
Perfect scoop.
Ah,
Oh, it's like she was stuffing it and making it perfect.
so that it doesn't drip.
Way better.
Oh, it smokes the pound cake. I swear on my life. Oh, it smokes the pound cake. Pound cake's good.
Much chocolate.
Pound cake is like this, like is only like this. Like I tried it.
That's it. Day one ends here. I'm gonna end the video now. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Or day 2 में, of course I'm gonna start day 2 tomorrow. So peace out. Bye.